Animal superpowers. Can you imagine regenerating your body parts, living without sleep, seeing in the dark, hearing sounds miles away, or locate the objects through smell? These are not supernatural powers. These are the powers some animals and birds possess for their survival in the harshest of environments on Earth. Unbelievable, let us explore some of these superpowers of animals in this video. Detoxify dorni is a type of jellyfish that can become biologically immortal by reverting back to polyp stage when old, sick or stressed. But most of them are killed by predators or disease. They can produce their own light to attract prey and get rid of predators. Many species of starfish can regenerate parts of the body or the entire body from a single severed limb with the help of stem-like cells. They can expel foreign objects. They can push their stomach outside to digest food. Salamanders like axolotls can regenerate parts of the body but not the entire body from a single severed limb. They can rapidly heal and have powerful immune system. Crabs can regenerate body parts and they have very powerful claws. They can camouflage and can detect magnetic fields. Sea cucumbers can regenerate body parts and internal organs. They eject internal organs to distract predators and later regenerate them. They can transform to near liquid state. Mantis shrimp can see ultraviolet and polarized light. They have 16 photoreceptors. It can strike with about 1500 newtons of force. Bats can see with their ears by echolocation. By hearing the echoes of the sound they produce, they can locate the object. Some bats have heat sensors. They have blood valves that prevent blood from flowing into head even if they hang upside down. They do not get sick even if they host deadly viruses. Platypus can detect the electric currents generated by the muscular contractions of its prey using the 40,000 electroreceptors on its bill. The mechanoreceptors on its bill can detect vibrations, pressure, and water movements. Snakes have venoms that can kill. Their strikes are faster than human eye blink. Some snakes have infrared vision that can detect heat signatures of warm-blooded prey. Elephants can hear with their trunks and feet. They communicate with their herd miles away. They hear low-frequency infrasound and ground vibrations. They can detect water miles away with their trunks. They have cancer-resistant genes. Narwhal, a toothed whale, can detect water temperature and pressure using its tusk. Dolphins can move their eyes independently and have 300-degree panoramic view. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirror. Bottlenose dolphins and many others can replace their skin every 2 hours. They can show empathy to humans. Dogs can track a person or identify objects by smelling. They can hear high-frequency sounds and they have good night vision. Lightbirds can mimic excellently. Hummingbirds can gain lift even with upstroke. They can hover in the air. They have fastest metabolism. Their heart rates can be up to 1200 beats per minute. Bombardier beetles can spray boiling toxic liquid at about 500 times per second. Bees sting with stingers, which give pain and swelling. Piston shrimp fires bubble bullet making a sound of 218 decibels. The bubble after collapse generates heat of 8000 degrees Fahrenheit or 4426 degrees Celsius. Electric eels can generate electric shocks of up to 860 volts. Their blood has toxic protein that detects predators. Pufferfish can quickly inflate their elastic bodies to large size and erect sharp spines to deter predators. Scorpions can live without food even in freezing temperatures for a year. They glow under UV light. They can hold breath underwater for 48 hours. Honey badger has thick skin that can resist bites. They eat snakes as they have high tolerance to venom. They are fearless enough to fight the lions. Armadillos can roll themselves in hardened balls. They can inflate their intestines to swim across or walk along bottom of river. They can hold their breath for around 5 minutes. Pangolins can roll themselves in hardened balls. They can seal their ears and nostrils. Tardigrades can live without water for years. They can tolerate high radiations, boiling temperatures, and freezing temperatures. They can survive in space. Kangaroo rats can survive without water for very long periods. Naked mole rats can live without oxygen for about 18 minutes. They have cancer resistance capability. They are healthy even in old age. Koalas can detoxify poisonous eucalyptus leaves with the help of a specialized liver. They have water resistant fur. They have two opposite thumbs in each paw that helps in better grip. Ants can lift 50 times their own body weight, while a human can lift at most about 5 times. Fleas can leap over 200 times their own body length, while a human can leap about 1.5 times. Cheetah, the fastest land animal, runs around 70 miles per hour, that is 112 kilometers per hour. They can get acceleration of 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. Albatross can sleep while flying. It can fly for many days without flapping wings. They can drink salt water and remove excess salt. They can smell food 12 miles away. Dragonflies can fly backwards, sideways, and upside down. They have 360-degree vision. Ibex can climb mountains and vertical cliffs. They can jump over 6 feet. Honeybees dance to communicate food locations. They can navigate using magnetic fields and the sun. They can see UV light. They can remember different flowers and recognize different human faces. Peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world with speeds of up to 200 miles per hour or 300 kilometers per hour. The emperor penguin can swim 1800 feet or 548 meters underwater. It can hold breath up to about 30 minutes. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. They fly silently without making noise. The woodpeckers do not get their skull and beak damaged with all the drilling because the thick skull and chisel-like beak are protected by strong muscles which act as shock absorbers. Woodpeckers can drill at specific location where insects are moving inside wood as they can hear them. Cuttlefish can change color, pattern and texture in milliseconds. They have 360 degrees vision. They can hypnotize prey. Octopuses can change color in milliseconds. They can squeeze through tiny gaps. They have blue blood and 3 hearts. These animal superpowers denote that creation has been done with very high-level intelligence and calculations. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon. Please comment your viewpoint in the comments section.